You've lived a life full of seasons and moments, joyful ones, challenging ones, and even everything in between. At some point, you might have even thought about sharing your story, only to think, oh my goodness, where do I begin? How do I start to capture my experiences? When you reflect on your life so far, you realize that each season has its own purpose, each moment its own story. How are you capturing what truly matters? Hi, I'm Boza Crimmins. I understand how daunting it can feel to put your story on paper, but here's the truth. It doesn't have to be perfect, it doesn't have to be complicated, it just needs to be real. I created Seasons and Moments life story courses to help you overcome those challenges. Together, we'll break the process down into simple, achievable steps. You'll focus on the stories that shaped you. Some of your stories span years, others are a single defining moment. They're the stories that reveal who you are and what you've learned along the way. You won't be doing this alone. In our sessions, you will be connecting with others who are reflecting on their lives. And you'll find that you're going to be inspired by their stories just as they're going to be inspired by yours. When you complete this journey, you'll have something that's truly meaningful. Your story. You'll have captured what truly matters to you. You'll find the contact information below to sign up for Seasons and Moments life story courses. And when you do, you'll be joining a community where stories inspire connection and understanding, because a life written is a life shared.